Hello students, I hope that you are doing great. In this lesson, we will look at division without remainders. Division without remainders. Let us use this example. There are 12 cookies on a table. Let's place them equally on 4 plates. Okay? So we are going to put these cookies on 4 plates, and each plate must have the same number of cookies. Okay? Now, let's go. We put 1 cookie on each plate. Okay? So now each plate has got 1 cookie and we have 8 cookies left. Let us put 1 cookie on each plate. Okay? So 1, 1, 1, and 1. So each plate so far has got 2 cookies and we have 4 cookies left. Okay? Now, finally, let's put 1 cookie on each plate. 1, 1, 1, and 1. So, you can see that each plate has got 3 cookies and no cookies left on the table. Okay? So, this actually means 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Okay? Each plate has 3 cookies. The cookies are shared equally. When we say equally, I told you already that it means that on each plate we have the same number of cookies. That's why you can see that on this plate we have 3 cookies, even here we have 3 cookies, even here 3 cookies, and here 3 cookies. And on the table we do not have any cookie. So it means that we do not have remainder. It means no remainder. No cookie has been left on the table. So, when we put items into groups and no item is left over, it shows the division done without remainders. I hope this is clearly understood. Number 2. Mr. Su buys 10 steamed buns. He gives an equal number of buns to 5 children. How many buns does each child get? Okay? So, we have got 5 children. Let us give 1 bun to each child. So, each child has got 1 bun. Let us give 1 more bun to each child. 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. So each child has got 2 buns and no bun is left. Okay? So this actually means 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So now we do not have any remainder because there is no bun that has been left. Okay? each child gets 2 buns and no bun is left. So this means that this division has no remainder. Okay? In part 3, Ravi has 12 stamps. He puts them in groups of 2. Now, student, I want you to pause this video and try out. Think, if Ravi has 12 stamps and he puts them in groups of 2, how many stamps do we have in each group? Okay? So, this actually means 12 divided by 2, and that is equal to 6. So, there are 6 groups of 2 stamps. Okay? But student, look at 12. 12 is an even number. And we looked at even numbers some time back. We know that when we divide an even number by 2, we do not get any remainder. So that's why we have 6 and there is no remainder. Okay? So 12 divided by 2 equals 6 and no remainder. Okay? Therefore, no stamps left over after putting them in groups of 2. Now we look at the final example. Siti has 18 lollipops. She gives each friend 2 lollipops. How many friends does she give her lollipops to? So, pause this video and answer this question. Okay? Okay, so you can see that Siti has got to give 2 lollipops to each friend. So this means that let's make groups of 2. Okay? So we put 2 lollipops in each group. So let's move on. We make groups of 2, groups of 2, groups of 2. So now, how many groups of 2 do we have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you see, we have got 9 groups. So this actually means that we have got to get 18, we divide it by 2. Once we get 18 divided by 2, we will get a number of friends Siti has got to give her lollipops to. So we can see that we have 9 groups. So 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Therefore, she gives her lollipops to 9 friends. I believe that you have understood the division without remainders. Okay? So now, go to page 92 to 94 and do the exercise about division without remainders. Once you finish, please take a photo of your work and send it to our group line. Thank you so much. In the next lesson, we will look at division with remainders. Division with remainders. Thank you so much for watching. We meet again in the next video. Goodbye.